كيف حالك or just كيفك. Same meaning, completely different sound. So what's going on here? Do all Arabs actually speak the same language, or have we been misled? If you think it's that simple, think again.
What is Fusha?
What we call Arabic isn't always spoken the same way. There's Fusha Arabic, the standard version of Arabic, not tied to one country but understood across the entire Arab world. It's the formal language of books, news and education across 22 countries.
Where is Fusha actually used?
Here's the truth. Nobody actually speaks Fusha at home. In real life, Arabs use dialects, the everyday version of Arabic that changes from country to country. Think of it like this. Fusha is a formal suit, elegant and universal. But you don't wear a tuxedo to a football match. That's where dialects come in. They're your jeans and t-shirt, comfortable, local, and different wherever you go.
Are dialects close to Fusha?
Not exactly. They share the same roots, but they've evolved differently over time. Some, like Levantine and parts of the Gulf, are closer than others. Unsure which one to learn? Let's test it. Give yourself 1 point for every yes, and be honest. Do you want to read books, follow the news, or understand the Quran? Do you want one version of Arabic that works in every country? Do you prefer learning with textbooks and clear rules? Are you unsure which country you'll visit? If you have 3 points or more, Fusha is your winner. It's your master key to the entire Arab world. If you got less than 2, don't waste your time. Jump straight into a dialect. How to start? Quick tips. So, you chose Fusha? Here's your 4-step cheat sheet. Learn the grammar. It's the key to understanding Fusha. Listen to Arabic news daily. Read with vowels. Tashkil. Learn 5 advanced Fusha words a day. Consistency wins. So, what's your goal? Are you Team Fusha or Team Dialect? Let us know in the comments below. Start learning with Alif B. Download the app today.
Learning Arabic feels impossible when you cannot afford the courses or find time. Alif B makes learning Arabic easy, affordable, and exciting. With hundreds of lessons designed by language experts to help you achieve fluency faster. Alif B introduces new vocabulary, then reinforces learning with listening, writing, reading, and speaking exercises. And its lesson library and review cards are great for mastering Arabic reading, writing, and speaking, no matter your level. Download the Alif B app today and begin your journey to Arabic fluency.